Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products that can truly elevate your routine. Today, we're looking at something a little playful, a little bold, and definitely eye-catching, the EBIN New York Secret of Pharaoh Glitter Duo Stick in Egyptian Sky. This is a compact 2-in-1 makeup tool designed to give you both a creamy primer and a glitter finish, all in one stick. The concept here is simple yet clever. One side has a primer that's meant to neutralize dullness, prevent creasing, and keep your glitter looking vibrant, while the other side delivers lightweight, high-intensity glitter that's supposed to hold up all day. The glitter itself is ultra-fine, giving a delicate, reflective sparkle that really catches the light. EBIN claims it's suitable for all skin types and tones, vegan and cruelty-free, so it's conscious as well as glamorous. Using this stick has been a fun experience. The primer glides smoothly across the eyelid, creating a tacky base that grips the glitter without feeling heavy. I tested it during a regular workday and again for a night out, and in both cases, the glitter stayed put with minimal fallout. It's soft, easy to blend, and the pigmentation is impressive. One swipe gives a noticeable sparkle without needing to layer excessively. Application is intuitive. Primer first, then glitter, and you're good to go. I also found that it layered nicely over other eyeshadows for a more dramatic effect. What I love about this duo stick is the convenience and the quality of the glitter. The particles are finely milled, so they don't feel scratchy on the lid, and the sparkle really does pop without looking garish. On the flip side, the glitter can be tricky to remove at the end of the day, so a good makeup remover is a must. Also, if you're very sensitive to shimmer on your eyelids, a patch test is recommended, although the primer does help minimize irritation for most skin types. In terms of value, this stick sits at a mid-range price point. Considering you get both a primer and glitter in one, along with high pigmentation and fine, long-lasting shimmer, it's reasonably priced. If you're looking for a comparable alternative, single-use glitter pots or palettes can work, but they often require separate primers and brushes, making the duo stick more efficient for on-the-go application. The build quality is solid. The stick itself is sturdy, with a secure twist mechanism that keeps the product protected when not in use. As a cruelty-free and vegan product, EBIN is keeping pace with conscious beauty trends, which adds a positive layer to its appeal. If you're someone who loves a quick, dazzling eye look without the fuss of multiple products, this duo stick could be a really fun addition to your collection. Its high pigmentation and sparkling finish are perfect for festival looks, nights out, or even adding a little everyday shimmer. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and you can find a link to purchase the EBIN New York Secret of Pharaoh Glitter Duo Stick in the comments or description box below. If you've tried this glitter duo, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.